Welcome to Entity Framework Core Fundamentals plus Blazor. What is Entity Framework Core? Entity Framework Core, or EF Core for short, is a data access technology for the .NET platform. It is commonly known as an ORM or Object Relational Mapper technology. With an ORM, you can work with databases in an object-oriented fashion. You can query and manipulate data with objects. EF Core can be used along with other .NET technologies for building console apps, Windows Forms, web apps, web APIs, and even mobile apps. Currently, EF Core's latest version is EF Core 7, released in November 2022. It supports many kinds of databases. Let's take a look at what those databases are. So if you head out to this site, I'll put the link in the description. So you can see that uh, EF Core supports quite a lot of databases, including the popular ones like SQL Server from Microsoft, and then you have also SQLite, the common, the lightweight SQL based database. You also have support for PostgreSQL, MySQL, which is one of the popular ones also, and also even Oracle. Okay, so along with other supported databases also. Now, if the database you are trying to uh, use is not in this list, most probably it still has a equivalent uh, provider for that database. Just refer, or you can look on the internet for those specific types of providers for those databases that are not supported in this list. There are two approaches when working with EF Core. The first one is code first. In this approach, you focus on your entity classes and use migrations to manipulate your database to conform to your models. So, the structure of your database will always come from your models. In short, it's model focused. The second one is database first. In this approach, your entities are modeled against the database. This is ideal when you are working with an existing database. One example is when you have a legacy system that runs on an already existing database and you were tasked to build another system that using that database. So, in that scenario, you will build out your entities based on the existing tables. In this series, we will follow the code first approach.